Thank you, Shrestha. Hi everyone. This is the abstract art jigsaw puzzle game. This we bought for our daughter from Landmark. For this, actual price is around 349. There was 70% discount. Around we paid 104 rupees per one game. It's nice. Let's see what's in the box. We'll unbox it. I'll show what and all it will be included in this box, and then we can start painting it. Actually, this is for the 3+ years, so she is 4.5 years. She can use this. This will come with for 35 pieces of color. We can color puzzle game, so that the final product will be like this. So the plain sheet will be like this. So we have to color the puzzles, and then we can make this, and we can keep it as a stand in our home. Let's see what's in the box.
Opening the box.
So we will see what and all is included in this box. First I will see, and then hand over it to my daughter so that she can paint it. So let's see what's all included in this box. I am opening the box. So there is a certificate where once your child completes this puzzle, you can give her a certificate like this. You can just write her name and give it to her. This is one, and one instruction is there how to do it, and two practical sheets, so where you can practice it, then go on the puzzle and paint it. So these are the practice sheets. So this is the puzzle, and we have one stand for this. Once it's completed, you can keep it as a show stand also. So I'll just open this. This is actually, if I see, this is made of wood, kind of wood, but not, I think it's not hardwood. So this is the stand. We have to just pull it out like this.
I and Nappa will color in this, so I'll start coloring.
So me and my daughter started coloring the puzzle. Let's see how it looks post we complete our coloring. Coloring. Coloring likes me.
Coloring likes me.
I like coloring.
I like coloring.
Sister, you like coloring, huh?
Yes, you Santosh, you like coloring, huh?
Yes, a lot.
Me also, I love.
Color, which color? Which color is this, sister?
Blue.
Which color you are doing?
Brown. Appa, which color do you want?
I like white.
Where is that? Show me this.
No, in the middle there is a lines, no? We will color it white. So, which color do you like, sister?
Red.
Red. Which Appa is doing?
Yes.
Okay. Other than red, which color you like?
Pink.
Pink. Super.
Other than pink, I like black.
Black.
Yes.
Okay. Good, good, good. Actually, in the middle there is a white line. You can see this. So we are using a wax crayon to make it white. So it's in progress. Once she is completed and all the lines are colored with white, the puzzle will be ready. Let's wait and watch. We are giving the corners, borders white color in this crayon. It's a wax crayon because it will be easy if you paint, but for my daughter, she is used to color pencils, crayons and wax crayons. So if we give her a color this, she'll mix up everything. So we are finishing our job through wax crayon to fill the white.
I'm giving the final touch.
So we have completed the puzzle. You can see all the colors has been filled. So we are just in a finishing stage. Let's wait. We will give the final product in a minute.
We have completed our puzzle. We are going to write our name.
So we have done collaboratively. See how's the output. All colors, the dark colors, pink, orange, red, and we have given the white borders. You can see this. I'll just keep this, and the original on the box looks similar to our painting. Hope you enjoyed our video. So my daughter is writing her name on the artist board. Just give her a minute. SHRESHTA. So she has given her name on the artist board. Her name, so I'm keeping it here. You can just look on that. See, this is the final product. You can keep it as a stand board also, or you can hang it also, I guess, because in the back you have two holes, so that if you want to hang on the wall, you can do that. So we have completed the painting of the puzzle. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. So we have other two puzzles also with this. So this is the turtle puzzle, you can see, and this is the musical jigsaw puzzle game, where you can see musical instruments with kids standing, so that once you color this, you can use as a puzzle also. So we got these three puzzles from Landmark outlet from Orion Mall. Actually we got all these four for 312 rupees. So it's a great saving. If you like it, please purchase through Landmark, online or offline store. Thank you.